In 2021, most everything can be accomplished with just a smartphone. So you can order food, get directions, play music, contact others, and so much more with just a small little device. So of course, many would also like to use this device to upload videos to one of the most popular websites on the internet, being YouTube. This past year, every video that I've uploaded on this channel has been filmed, edited, and uploaded from just my smartphone. Most anyone can record, edit, and upload YouTube videos without ever needing a typical computer. So that's exactly what I'm going to show you how to do right now. There's 6 main steps in creating a good YouTube video. Plan, film and record content, record voiceovers and gather additional content, edit video, create a thumbnail, and then finally upload and publish. The first thing you want to do is make a plan for your video. Coming up with an idea of what exactly you want to make is often the hardest part of any project. Think about how different parts of the video may work out and if it's something that you can accomplish with the skills, equipment, and time that you currently have. I always find it's a good idea to create a script or outline which allows you to plan out how the video will be organized. If you're doing a voiceover, you can even create a word-for-word script that you'll read off to ensure that you don't forget anything that you were meaning to mention. Since you are creating a video, there has to be something visual that you can compile for the viewer. The recording process may look different depending upon what type of video you plan on making, but whether you're recording a makeup tutorial, a review of the latest smartphone, or a parkour challenge, you're going to need something to record it. Luckily, most smartphones today have great cameras that work out perfectly for filming a YouTube video. Configure the video settings and resolution to your liking, place your phone in the stand, and hit the record button. It truly can be that simple. While gathering footage, you may realize that you don't want to use the audio from the clips you are recording. Instead, you can record a voiceover that plays over multiple clips. If you have a full script prepared, this step comes easily, so just read off what you have written down and then record it. Most all phones come with a built-in voice recorder. If yours doesn't, there are plenty to choose from on the App Store. If you have iOS, the easiest is to use the built-in Apple Voice Recorder app, and on Android, I've used both Smart Recorder and the Google Recorder, which both work very well. When you move on to editing, you can add these audio clips into your project. Then, gather any additional audio or video that you'll need to create a finished video. This could be sound effects, certain graphics, screenshots, gameplay footage, whatever it is, you'll want to have it for the next step. Editing is usually the most time-consuming and tedious part of the video creation process. To start, you're going to want to decide which video editor you want to use to make your video. There are many options to choose from, and they all have their own features and settings. For iOS, iMovie is the best choice for beginning creators, as it offers many options and is easy to create a good-looking video from just your iPhone or iPad. Plus, it comes free, which of course is always a plus. On Android, I personally use Vilo at the moment, but I've also used UCut in the past. Both work well for video creation. Because each video editor is different, I can't go over how to work every single one. However, I will go over the basics of video editing. You are of course able to combine different clips together to make one video. Depending on your video, you may have only a few clips or hundreds. The process, however, is the same. You can arrange the clips however you please, and if you want to include only part of a clip, most video editors allow you to splice clips at certain parts, so you only show exactly what you want. You can also decide to include transitions between clips, and there are usually quite a few to choose from. You will also want to get your audio together. In addition to videos, you can add audio clips to play in the background of whatever clips you have playing. This is where you'll add any background music you want to use, or voiceovers. Don't forget to also use sound effects from time to time. There are also more advanced features you can play with, such as picture-in-picture, on-screen text, or other graphics. Make it your own and try to have some fun with the editing process. Here's an example from one of my own videos. This is from my A Hat in Time review. As you can see, the editing process can become quite complicated once you have a lot of video and different audio clips that you put together. This particular video took me around 6 hours to edit for a 12-minute video, so it can indeed become quite time consuming. We are now in the home stretch of video creation. In order for your masterpiece to stand out, you want to create a unique thumbnail for your video. Every creator has their own style, so make it something that shows off your video and personality best. You don't have to make a cliche clickbait thumbnail, just make sure that it reflects the video well. Adding an image and a text related to the topic is usually a good way to go. There are again many apps that you can use to make a thumbnail, just make sure that it's a standard 16:9 aspect ratio. Again, be unique and make it your own. Once your video has been exported and your thumbnail has been created, it's time to upload your video. You can upload your video through the official YouTube app. Just make sure you're logged into the correct account first. From here, you can title your video, add a description, insert tags, and add your thumbnail image. Make sure to input the correct category and age group, and you're pretty much set to go. Depending upon how fast your internet connection is, it could take a while for the video to upload. Just be patient and do something else while the video is uploading. Once it's complete, ensure that everything was uploaded correctly and you're finished. Congratulations, you just made a whole YouTube video with nothing but your phone. As always, thank you all so much for tuning in to Tea Time, and I'll see you guys later.